Another in our series of quick and easy labs, so I can make some videos in a hurry and you can do lots of lovely calculations using periodic tables, molar masses and formulae. So what I've got today is, well, I'm going to supply one reactant, and that's magnesium metal, Mg, bracket solid. And what we're going to do is a combustion reaction. So it's going to react with this excess of oxygen that's all around me here, O2, bracket G. So how we're going to do that is we're going to heat the magnesium in a crucible, or, because we're in a hurry, we're going to heat it a bit out of the crucible, and it really is going to be a quick and dirty reaction. So what we do is zero the balance, put the crucible in it, show you what the mass of the crucible is, make a lot of noise, sorry about that, add the magnesium, and you'll notice I'm trying not to touch it, because if I touch it, it gets skin oils on it. And if it gets skin oils on it, that means less of the magnesium will be able to react with the oxygen, because there'll be a skin of oil on it, preventing the oxygen getting to it. Okay, and there's the mass of the crucible with the magnesium, and therefore you can work out the mass of the magnesium. And now I take that in my tongs, bring it over to my heating setup. Sorry about the noise again. And here's my heating setup. And I place my crucible with my magnesium in the pipe clay triangle, which should be resistant to any temperatures that happen. And I'll put my little camera laptop thing up here. And now I'll stop making noises by moving things about. So here's my safety plane. I let a bit more oxygen in. So the methane gas burns a bit more efficiently, and I place that underneath the crucible with the magnesium in it. And I wait. And normally in a classroom setting, I'd wait for quite a long time until the magnesium heated up to a temperature at which it would be able to react readily and quickly with the oxygen. But I don't have time for that. So instead of that, I'm going to do a cheat. And this cheat, sorry about that noise again. And this cheat is involved in exposing the magnesium directly to the flame. Now I should hold the magnesium directly above the crucible so I don't lose any of the stuff. And the stuff, I'm sure you've worked out what it is. I shouldn't be looking at this, so I'm not. The reason I shouldn't be looking at it is like a welding flash. And there's quite an amazing sort of intensity of light there that would be rather nasty for my retinas were I to look at it. You, on the other hand, are looking at this on a screen. And your screens are designed to certain safety protocols, and those safety protocols mean that they're never going to reach a light intensity that's going to damage your retinas. So you're quite safe. Alright, I'll take that back to safety flame by excluding the air and reducing the oxygen flow to the methane. And we look at what we've got there, and it's a massive white gear in there. So, I'll take that with me, and I try very hard not to drop it, because the last time I did this, I did drop it. And because I dropped it, this is the second time I'm doing this, and I do not want to be doing it for a second time. So, I zero the balance. Ooh, that's not zeroed. Place that there, and we see the mass of the crucible, that's better, the mass of the crucible after the reaction. Now, we don't know how much of the magnesium has actually reacted. We're pretty sure that not all of it did. It's up to you to find out. So please go to the worksheet and do the work.